I'm Alexander Thomas. I'm founder and CEO of verkstedt. Verkstedt is a small software development team from Berlin. We support larger organizations in building and shipping features and applications because what we found out is that the larger the organization, the harder it is for them to actually get smaller things done because they have different priorities. They have to focus on processes and operational security and stuff like that. So it's really hard for them to build something small and actually get it done because they have to, include this into their bigger time scales or milestones. So that's why we have a small team that works closely together. That's what we do. verkstedt is a small team, and that's a deliberate choice. We decided we want to have a small team that works closely together, so we're only a couple of developers. For our last project, we were working on a really, really big thing, so revamping a whole infrastructure, and we knew that would exceed our capacities by far. So therefore, we were looking for a partner because we don't want to grow verkstedt too much. Because I always appreciate working with a partner that is run by the founders. That really changes things quite a bit, and so we weren't looking for the larger corporates because there you're only one client among a lot of them. And with Kurzor, it's much easier because whenever there's something to discuss, you always have someone who is not only available but also in a position to be able to make decisions. I would describe our cooperation as absolutely seamless. So it started from scratch, pretty easy. We kicked it off with an on-site workshop, so everybody met here in Berlin, and that was good because all the developers could get to know each other a little bit. And from there, we dived into a productive environment pretty quickly. So developers just became part of the team as any other developer as well. We had to change our process a little bit now that I think about it. So we became more of a remote company. So it was really interesting to see that the developers themselves decided to change the format of the daily by making it remote first. So all the developers, even the ones on site here in Berlin, now do the daily with a headset on. Because it made it more remote friendly for the developers from Kurzor. And I think that describes the way of the collaboration pretty nicely. Yes, absolutely. There's not much more to say. It's just, it worked out nicely. The results are really great. So yes, I would definitely do that.